Making money with YouTube Shorts can be a great way to generate income through shorter videos and capture a larger audience, as these videos often have the potential to go viral due to their quick, engaging nature. Here are several ways to make money through YouTube Shorts. 1. YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube created a $100 million fund to reward creators for making popular Shorts content. While this fund is available in specific countries and may have some eligibility criteria, creators with engaging Shorts have a chance to earn a monthly bonus. You don't need to be monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, to qualify for this fund, which is a big advantage. 2. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Although traditionally, YouTube ads only appeared on longer content, YouTube has started running ads on Shorts, so you can still make money via ad revenue if you're part of the YPP. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million valid public Shorts views in the past 90 days. Once in the program, you can earn a share of the ad revenue from Shorts and regular videos. 3. Brand sponsorships and partnerships. Brands are increasingly partnering with creators to promote their products via Shorts. If you built a niche or a loyal audience, reach out to brands or they may approach you. Ensure your collaborations feel organic and align with your brand to retain audience trust. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services within your Shorts and earn a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Since Shorts are often viewed on mobile, keep your message concise and direct viewers to links in your channel's bio, description, or comment section for a better chance of conversions. 5. Selling products or merchandise. If you have your own merchandise or product line, use Shorts to showcase it. Demonstrate products in creative ways to build interest and direct viewers to purchase. YouTube also offers a merchandise shelf for eligible channels that lets you showcase products right under the videos. 6. Driving traffic to other monetized platforms. Use YouTube Shorts to direct traffic to other monetized platforms like your website, online courses, Patreon, or social media pages. For example, if you sell digital products or have a subscription service, you can promote it in Shorts. 7. Live streaming and super chats. Once you have enough subscribers and are eligible for live streaming, you can use YouTube Shorts to promote upcoming live streams, where viewers can support you through super chats, super stickers, or channel memberships. 8. Crowdfunding and fan support. You can also engage your audience directly by inviting them to support your work via crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or Ko-fi. Use Shorts to update followers and showcase the content they can expect from their support. Tips for success with YouTube Shorts. Focus on hooking viewers early. With Shorts, capturing attention in the first few seconds is crucial. Stay on trend. Participate in trending challenges and use popular audio to increase visibility. Consistency is key. The more Shorts you upload, the better your chances of increasing engagement and visibility. By diversifying your income streams and remaining consistent, YouTube Shorts can become a solid source of income for your channel.